What could possibly be more exciting than a trip to Mars? One of mankind's oldest dreams, and it's within our grasp. How can we get to Mars? Well, first we'll put our probe into an Earth orbit, get ourselves organized that way, and at exactly the right instant, we'll fire our boosters and give the probe a 1g acceleration for just 6 minutes. That's Earth gravity for just 6 minutes, but that's enough out of Earth orbit to get us away from the shackles of the Earth. No longer are we a satellite of Earth, but our probe is now in orbit around the Sun, broken out completely. And we'll put ourselves into a very special orbit here with perihelion at the distance of the Earth from the Sun and aphelion at the distance of Mars from the Sun. Kepler, 400 years ago, told us how that orbit would work. If we took it, it would take us approximately 260 days to go from perihelion to aphelion, so that's how long it's going to take to get to Mars. And if we shoot at just the right time, with just the right velocity, we'll get there, and we've used the least amount of rocket fuel in order to do it. And a perfect bullseye will be reached, and what do you know, there we are at Mars. Now that we're at Mars, look out the window. Here it comes, the planet Mars rotating around. You can see the polar cap. You can see the valleys. You can see the things that used to look like canals. It's got the largest mountain in the solar system. If they let us land, where should we land? Well, assuming the Martians do let us go to their planet, one possibility might be to go where Viking 1 landed. It was a place called Planitia, and the advantage there is, wouldn't it be nice to see what Viking 1 looks like? See what the years have done to it. Or we could go to see where Viking 2 landed, a place called Planitia. Same deal, except if you take a look at the close-up pictures of it, looks a little rougher, looks a little rockier, might be a difficult landing spot, something that you'd have to consider. That looks a little rough to me. Third possibility, which might even be the best one, is, you remember we put some rovers on Mars. An Opportunity took advantage of its opportunity. Here's the path of the rover Opportunity, and the American flag is maybe still there. It's certainly there on the rover, but it roved all around to a place called Victoria Crater, one of the prettiest craters on the planet of Mars. And it's been photographed panoramically, and look at the center of that crater. Look at those dunes. That would be something to see, particularly if you could go back to the panorama that Opportunity took and see the tracks that it made. How cool would it be to walk in the tracks where years ago a NASA rover once trod? See what happened to those tracks. Got any craters in them yet? Let's find out. Marvin, hope to see you real soon. Take care.